Hey everyone! Welcome to Learn with Hal.
If you're still studying the old way, you're wasting so much time. These 5 new study hacks in 2025 are game changers, and number 3 will surprise you. What if I told you that you can remember more by studying less? Let's see how. 25 to 5 focus formula. Forget the old 25-minute study rule. Now in 2025, students use the 25 to 5 focus formula. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. But don't just scroll your phone. Use that 5 minutes to stretch, drink water, or summarize what you learned. It keeps your brain active and helps you remember more. Gray screen trick. Digital detox 2.0. Our phones distract us all the time. Here's a simple fix. Turn your phone's display to black and white, gray mode. Without colors, your apps look boring, so you stop opening them again and again. Try this for 3 days, and your screen time will drop fast. 5-minute rule: beat laziness fast. When you feel lazy to study, say to yourself, I'll just study for 5 minutes. Once you start, your brain gets into the flow, and you'll end up studying for 30 minutes or more. It's a simple mind trick that really works. AI note hack. AI is not cheating. It's smart learning. Use tools like ChatGPT or Notion AI to summarize your class notes or make quick quiz questions. But don't just copy. Rewrite those notes in your own words. That's how your brain remembers better. Sleep study sandwich. Your brain remembers better after sleep. So the best routine is study, sleep, quick review. When you study before bed, your brain practices that info while you sleep. Next morning, review it again. You'll remember it 2x better. So which one are you going to try first? The 5-minute rule or the AI note hack? Comment below and tell me. I'll share more secret hacks in part 2. Like, subscribe, and don't